The ideal gym bag for the fitness enthusiast woman. From a beginner to a professional, most of the female gym enthusiasts are known to display a certain level of particularity towards their gym gears. Be it owning stylish activewear or opting for the most advanced forms of fitness gadgets. Hence, why not extend this preference for your gym bags as well? Popular gym bag manufacturer have curated sartorial variants for the retail business owners that they can have a look at. These are super stylish and practical too. Material. You can buy gym bags for women or that is made up of different types of materials like nylon, leather and canvas. Bags made with canvas are lightweight and easy to carry. They are also inexpensive compared to their counterparts. However, canvas bags cannot offer you a high level of hygiene when you keep your sweaty gym wears in them. Nylon gym bags can be a great choice as they are quite lightweight, attractive and easy to maintain. Style and design. Another important aspect to consider while choosing gym bags is its style. You can find different gym bags for different types of activities. Gym bags having yoga mat holder. Gym bags for cycling, running and several other kinds of workout sessions are great for everyday use. Therefore, it is essential to select gym bags according to your specific activity. Some gym bags are spacious enough to store all kinds of accessories. Duffel bags are quite stylish and accommodative. They can easily store your shoes, water bottles, wet clothes, and a lot more. Compartments. When choosing gym bags for women, you must consider the number of compartments and pockets. The bags having separate shoe compartments are ideal so that you can easily store your sweaty shoes away from your other belongings. Some bags come with inner pockets to store your valuables like money, jewelry, mobiles, etc. Contact one of the popular wholesale bag manufacturers in USA and browse through the large expanse of trendy clothing pieces that the supplier has to offer. All you need to do is select the required pieces and state the bulk needs to the help team for the same.